Okay, once again, I would like to welcome everyone who joined the box break. We are breaking a box of 2010 SP Authentic football, and as a bonus, 5 packs of Topps Chrome Hobby. And I've had a lot of people who've joined my other breaks, and I want to welcome them back again. These breaks have been a lot of fun so far. The box number ends in 4908, and let's go ahead and get it started. There are 24 packs and 5 cards per pack, and it says 3 autographs. I've heard there's more. I don't know if it's a certain box in each case that has more or what, but there could be more. So let's go ahead. What I'm going to do to make it easier so you don't have to watch me opening all the packs, I'm going to open all the packs first, or cut them all open, and then I'll go ahead and do the break. That way you can skip past all the opening part, unless you really want to watch it. There we go. Go ahead and cut them all open just to speed things up here. If you get a chance, and if you'd like to watch some of the other breaks, we've had some great pulls and a couple of the other breaks. I've had some really good certified breaks, Topps Prime, and a couple of basketball breaks, and I'm posting some new ones up all the time. I just ordered some more certified. I've had great luck breaking those recently, and may even do some hockey if there's any interest. But if you're interested in any particular product you'd like me to break, go ahead and send me a message. Whatever is popular, whatever people want to see broke, I'm willing to do. Couple more and we'll get started here. And these boxes are really hot right now. They're selling out everywhere, so must be pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here in the first pack. Alrighty, I'm just going to go through Marion Barber, Charles Woodson, and this is a very thick dummy card, Phillip Rivers, Dallas Clark, and a Chad Johnson. Okay. Yeah, they've got some thick dummy cards in these. Alright. Austin Collie, Maurice Jones-Drew, Ricky Williams. There's the first hit. That's actually another dummy card. Matt Hasselbeck, Patrick Willis, and let's see what the hit is here. Very thick card. Wow. Wow, very nice. It's a nice 2-color patch of Ben Tate, and that's numbered out of 499. Very nice card. super thick stock. I don't even know how many points that is, but as you can see there, very thick cards there. Very nice. Let's put that one over here. Alright. Next one, Frank Gore, Kevin Kolb, another dummy card, Carnell Cadillac Williams, Brandon Jacobs, and Randy Moss. Alright, next pack, Thomas Jones, Jason Campbell, Rookie Authentics, Marquise Pouncey from the Steelers, numbered out of 999. Beautiful looking cards here. Dummy card, Miles Austin and AJ Hawk. Alright. Let's put that Marquise Pouncey over here. Next pack is Steven Jackson, Reggie Wayne. There's a hit. Let's go to Deshaun Jackson, Santonio Holmes, and the hit is the rookie signatures of David Nelson, numbered to 599. I'm not sure what team he's on, to be honest with you. Not even going to guess, but nice autograph there, and this is an on-card autograph, not a sticker. I think all of them are on cards in this set. This is my first break of these. I'm not too familiar, but they're nice cards. Okay, Jonathan Stewart, Brady Quinn. There's another hit of Ed Wang, numbered to 999, Rookie Authentics. He does have nice hair too. Another dummy card, Carson Palmer, and a Percy Harvin. Okay. And we got a Jamal Charles, Matt Schaub, dummy card, Sean Green, Arian Foster, and Ryan Grant. All base cards. Alright, Calvin Johnson, Pierre Thomas. There's a hit. Let's go to that one last. Matt Ryan, Matt Forte, and the hit, actually, Rookie Authentics, Charles Brown out of 999. Nice card. Okay, next pack. It's going to be Terrell Owens, Ben Roethlisberger, dummy card, Joseph Adai, Tony Romo, and Adrian Peterson out of Oklahoma. Okay, Chad Henne, Rashard Mendenhall, dummy card. There we go, Josh Freeman. Nice. Marcus Colston and Vernon Davis. Alright, Brent Selleck, Anquan Bolden, Jason Witten, dummy card, Roddy White, and a Michael Vick, Virginia Tech.